to the stream. So again here we trade gold from New York Open to London close. The focus is discipline and build consistency over time. If this is something that resonates with you, stay tuned and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Without further ado, let's do our daily analysis. So this previous H4 closed bearish but leave a long wick here. So this new H4 made a top wick and we are coming down. So maybe there is a weak fill scenario here. So right here we have made a low, right? And this current candle is coming. I guess if we close inside this range, you can continue to push down. On 30 minutes, what does that look like? Look like that. We need to close below this area for price to continue pushing down. That will be great. So let's wait for that idea. Now we are trading above this resistance, and also there is a possibility to come above this, to come to this area, but there is some wicks here, so we don't know. Let's wait. So my brother from another mother is coming, Mr. Ramol, the one and only,
Yeah,
the new
bro.
founded trader. Welcome.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
So did you take any trade in your live account?
Live funded account.
Yeah, founded account.
Oh, no trade, only live account.
Okay, live. Yeah, so a fake out here will be great, man. Right? Or are you looking for a buy?
No, sells. Sells is more easy.
Yeah, I think a fake out here will be great. You guys took a good trade this morning. When was that? Okay, 7:30 a.m. was good. So the initial move was from here, but the second move good. I guess this started to break within the first second. That's why you didn't enter, probably.
Which one?
Or the first move here, or maybe
No, I was not watching the chart that time.
yeah, I think Raja also missed it, and he was waiting for retracement resistance, and he took that trade, man. Great. And you took that trade.
Yeah, I
Man,
took
you don't
he held
hesitate. You don't hesitate anymore, man.
it.
Good. But you didn't held it. You just secured 18 pips, right?
Yeah. I was in gym and trading for my phone. So
Oh, okay.
that's the problem. Just secured whatever it gave me. Yeah, ready to close in 20 pips drawdown because my stop loss was around 20 pips. Was looking at my PNL and about to close if it would give me negative 20 pips.
Yeah.
Because there was no other chance to manage it.
You know, I'm starting to understand Raja, the risk management now, you know, and I think I'm gonna stop the aggressive risk management thing. I think I understand now what's going on, but I'm gonna watch again the webinar of the 4th of May. I think that will clarify things more, but I tested it yesterday. So basically, I think letting price go to 6-7 pip, come back and close half, I think it's not very efficient, right? I think it's not very efficient because you are not giving enough room for your trade to play out. I don't know what you think, but I'm realizing that, and I think Raja will talk about that. What do you think? Are you here, Mr. Amal? Let's wait for this candle to close bearish. This will be a great trade today. Great day we will have. Network issue. I think Mr. Amal has some network issue. Fine. Oh. First of May. Oh, today we have news again. ESM manufacturing PMI. This is breaking this low. Oh, we have news. This candle is closing in a few seconds, but we have news on the next candle. Ideally, a break below this zone will be good to push down. Let's see. It looks like we are closing above the zone, so potentially if the next candle can close below, we can push down. But if it stayed above this zone, it will be difficult. Oops, news candle is here. Weak up. So yeah, we closed above this zone, so difficult. 1 hour candle breaking. Yeah, I guess we need to wait for the next candle. Difficult.
Hello.
Hello, brother. How are you?
How are you? I'm fine.
Yeah.
So, nothing on gold today?
Nothing yet. This is the new scandal, so we are waiting.
You lost something.
Yeah, yesterday took a stupid trade.
I took a trade now and lost around 3%.
Yeah,
Damn.
I'm down 2%.
I took trade on if you shift to M15 time frame. Yes, on the third last candle. The doji candle.
Oh, on this, the bar.
When this candle was when this candle was breaking the high of this candle, I
Oh,
over risked. I was too confident. I was over risked. Yeah.
oh, okay.
My main
Yeah,
idea was the candles were continuously going down today. So I was expecting a little bit of retracement, and I saw this setup of impulse entry. So
yeah,
I overrisked. I learned my lesson not to overrisk.
yeah,
I was around 6% up on my account. Now I am 3% up.
yeah.
Now it's
At least you are
now it's
still,
going up.
yeah, you are still in profit. At least,
Yes, now it's going up and irritating me.
yeah, it's fine, it's fine.
No problem, no problem.
Yeah, for me yesterday, I tried to take a sell here, man. Stupid idea.
Where?
On 15 minutes, we were waiting to take a sell here. After the resistance was formed here, so I say, okay, maybe impulse entry to push down because my bias was sell. So, but 15 minutes, it was difficult here. So at the break, the stop loss was too big here, so we waited for this candle to close, and after this candle closed, looking at the 5 minute was having this structure here. So then I said maybe impulse entry to continue down. So at the break here, enter the trade. Maybe stop loss was 35, 36, and it slipped a little bit, 40 pip loss.
It could have worked out. It is not a bad trade, basically.
Yeah, but the thing is, look at this is the area of value, and you are taking sales down here at the middle of the range. So I was hesitating, but Amal was shouting, bro, just take a sell. As long as we respect the 5 minute high, we will push down. So I say, okay.
Amal also lost.
Yeah, he lost his daily profit on it. So yeah, I said, okay, maybe. But normally, according to my rules, I don't take sell in these areas. Have to wait for retracement. I think even the other day during the layout, I was telling that to Ratul to always look for trade near area of values. But this case, it was on 5 minutes, and 5 minutes is a weak confirmation time frame. So yeah, I also learned my lesson. So
I remember last year, maybe 2 years, I think in 2023.
Yeah.
On 1st May, on Labor Day, I lost around 2 accounts.
Two account? Oh, okay.
First May is not good for me.
1st of May? Oh, okay.
Yeah, Labor Day is not good for me.
Oh. Yeah, we have news today, so we'll see.
I'm just watching chart now, no trades.
So I would like to see a candle break and close below here, because my bias is sell. So we'll see.
Yes. Look at the M15 time frame, just freaking around. Very bad structure today.
Yeah, very bad. So during pre-New York, it was not too bad here. 7:30, the sell Raja took. Even London session, we got a close below here. This candle broke.
London was good.
Yeah, London was good. So you are not taking any more trade today, right?
No.
No, you are done.
Because I lost 2.8%.
Yeah,
I'm done.
that discipline. That's good. Yeah, yesterday me as well. After I lose, I just close the chart. But yeah, the trade came later on during the night. And Asian session was good because this session ranged a little bit. And Asian session we got some volume. Nice volume.
Look at the M15 time frame. The
Now
previous M15, yes, the previous M15 time frame.
close
Look at this
bullish.
one. It was breaking the high of the previous impulse entry type candle, but look at the structure. It immediately went down, and now the next candle is going down.
Yeah,
It
this is good.
full.
This is good. I would like to see this 30-minute candle close bearish.
So you'll be taking a sell on the next candle.
Yes, if I
But
can
the stop
have.
loss is going to be.
Yes.
But the stop loss is going to be very big.
Yes. Only if I can have a good stop loss, I will execute.
Maybe you should lower the lot size. Maybe if you are opening 4 lots, maybe open 1 lot.
Yeah, we'll see.
Because these days candles are very big.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if it can give us some sort of entry. But yeah, at this candle closure, maybe something will happen. Waiting patiently. Anurag, any trade today?
No, bro.
No.
My funded account didn't come.
Oh, you are waiting your funded account?
Yeah.
Good. So what risk are you gonna use in your funded account?
1%, bro.
Oh, 1%? Okay. So max 2% a day or max 1% a day?
Yeah, max 2%.
Okay.
0.25 load size.
0.25 lot size. So that's 0.5%. Yes, that's 0.5% risk. Because 0.5 on your account is 1%. Or depending on your stop loss. If your stop loss.
But we don't get 10 pips of
Sorry?
SL.
Sorry?
Usually we don't get 10 pips stop loss, bro. That's why.
Okay, so your stop loss is usually 20 pips and more.
Yeah.
Okay. And for your TP, is it as well 20 pips or you secure 10-15 pips?
Yeah. 15 pips, bro.
Sorry?
I'll try to secure on 15 pips.
15 pips? Okay.
15. Yeah.
Okay.
I lost my funded account previous month. Now I don't have any account which can pay me. I have to pass now.
Oh, you have, okay. You started a new challenge?
Yes, I am for trading with Dominion funding now.
Dominant funding now? Oh, great. So,
Yes,
how is it?
it is amazing.
Amazing,
I
right?
love loving the spreads.
Yeah, the spread is
Loving the
good.
spread, loving the execution.
Wow. Yeah, I told them all, but no.
I have a small account, 7.5k only.
Okay. I think if I lose this account, I will go with dominant funding for sure.
You should not be losing this account, man. This is a
Yeah,
big
you
account.
know, anything can happen, bro. You know.
Yes, anything can happen. Yes. Maybe I suggest you to lower your risk and execute more, because you sometimes wait a lot and miss trades.
Yeah,
Because
that's,
executing will give you confidence, I think.
yeah, you are probably right. I'm trying to
Maybe
be like a sniper in this account, but to look like I'm missing a lot of trade. But you are probably right. Maybe I should while I'm waiting for A plus setup, I can reduce my lot size and take some trade here and there. That's probably something good to try. You are
so I have
right.
learned about myself. I've learned about myself that when I wait for the brilliant setup or wait for the good setup,
Yeah.
I misses a lot. And when I take a trade with the bigger lot sizes, I lose. So what I have done, my strategy is I have lowered the lot size and I started to execute more.
Yes.
So on average, my weekly trades are I take around 12 trades per week.
Hmm. Yeah, that's good.
This is on average.
That's good. That's good.
It's bringing me normal results.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I was doing that at some point. Yeah. At some moment I was doing that.
Now I'm thinking, not planning, but I'm thinking to buy a bigger account, maybe of 50k,
Yeah.
because I think 7.5. I have passed multiple accounts around. I have passed around 8 to 10 accounts, and I have taken few payouts from them also.
Hmm. Interesting. Oh, this is breaking.
Just a moment ago, this candle was bullish.
Yeah.
Very choppy today, very choppy.
We have to wait for this candle to close.
Also, the H4 candle is closing around 20, 37 minutes left for H4 candle to close.
No, H4. This H4 candle will close at 1 p.m.
Oh, on my platform.
Yeah.
On my platform, it will close in 36 minutes.
Because it just started. It started at 9.
Oh. On FTMO, it must be starting now.
I am on FTMO.
Yes. So now I'm trading. I have closed the Dominion funding account. Now I am looking for any trade on another account. I have another account of 5k.
Okay, live account.
Single phase account.
Oh, single
No,
phase.
one phase. No,
Okay.
I don't have any live account.
Okay.
I am around 6.5% up. I have to make 8% to pass this account. So I am around 6.5 now.
Yeah. Okay, this candle is closing in 5 minutes. (30 minutes) closing. So it's tough. 55 pips stop loss. Wow.
Have you heard about goat funded traders?
Go funded.
Goat, G-O-A-T, goat funded traders.
I think yes, but I probably hear that. Yeah, I think I hear that somewhere. Goat. Is that where you have your account? Goat funded. Yeah, goat funded. I think I hear it.
Buying 50k from them.
Sorry?
I'm thinking of buying 50k from them. It will cost me around $150.
150?
Yes, $150 on the after 50% discount.
Okay. There is so much prop firm now, so it's difficult to know. So much of them.
But this one is this firm is around 3 to 4 years old, so this is a reliable one. Also, it is available on Prop Firm Match. Have you heard of the Prop Firm Match?
Yes.
Prop Firm Match.
Yeah, I heard
This
it.
is a website for
For evaluating
website
prop
for
firm. Yeah.
Prop Firm. Yes. Prop
Yeah.
comparison and evaluation.
Comparison and yeah.
Yes, comparison.
So this candle is closing, but leaving this wick here. So I don't know what to think about this one now. So 15 minutes is good. But 30 minutes is closing with some sort of rejection. So I don't know. Look at this. This is not good. I guess we need to wait for another candle. Maybe a break below here. Look at this. This is straight rejection. Straight rejection.
Yes.
So no trade.
Imagine you would have taken a sell on the break of this candle low. immediate rejection.
Immediate rejection.
And you would have been around 50 pips in drawdown.
Look at this doji candle, right? Nothing.
Yes.
Nothing.
Doji after doji.
So we need
Hello,
to wait.
Shakil bro, will you call me?
We need to wait for
Nora bhai, कौन सी platform use कर रहे हैं?
the next candle.
Five bucks.
Yep.
Running pips.
Maybe fibers.
5 hours. Okay.
Yeah, fibers. Amol is taking.
Fibers is a good
with-
firm.
Yeah, Amol is with them.
I had a 5K funded account with them, and I took around 160 to $170 payout from them, and I lost that account also.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Around 1 years ago. I was very bad at that time in maintaining the discipline.
Yeah, that's often the problem, man.
This
You will be disciplined like 1 week, 2 week, and then the third week you start to do some stuff.
let me show you my desktop wallpaper.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I start trading, I look at this. I read these things. Let me show you.
Okay.
I'll send a message.
Yep. Oh, you sent a message. Protect, don't pray. Losses limit damage. Cut, don't hope. Discipline, save account. Exit, save equity. Yeah. Yeah,
Just to remind myself.
that's totally true. So it looks like this is making a top week and coming down. If it can manage to close bearish, maybe we can take a sell to push down. So guys, 10:30, I'm gonna stop the stream. And gold is consolidating. Yeah, right now it's consolidating, so we'll see if in 11 a.m. or 11:30 we can see something other than that, right? This is straight consolidation. Even a break above here, we have these weeks, but it's not very interesting. So yeah, probably Shakila will follow your advice and taking some. But this is a funded account. I just want to be like a sniper, even taking 1 to 3 a week, but with size, right? Let's say 1 lot, 10 lot. I cannot take 10 lot on this, but I just didn't got the kind of trade I want to trade these few weeks.
This account is on phase 1, right?
Yeah, phase 1. And I have been hesitating on a lot of trades. Recently, look at this one, hesitated to enter because we haven't closed above. But when we closed, it was too far from the zone, so I missed that trade. Here got a bad execution based on 5 minutes. And yeah, so here also it was not respecting, maybe at candle, this one at candle open, but what retained me to enter this trade is, look at this, stop loss 50 pips, right? So that's something.
You could have lowered the lot size there.
Yeah, I could have lower lot size and even enter at the break of this low, right? And having my stop loss somewhere here, right? So, but hesitated on this as well because I want to have a perfect here. What would have been perfect is this candle to make a top wick and break this low after 3 minutes. Then I will have be very confident to execute with my size. But I'm waiting for those opportunities, but they are not coming yet. In normal market condition they happen a lot, but and in London session they happen a lot, but NYSE there is so much volume that, look at this one, I missed this one because I had a bad zone placement, right? I placed my zone here looking at the 15 minute, I place my zone here. So this candle looked like it didn't retest the zone. It was far from the zone, so did not execute based off that. But if you look at this from, here on H4, okay, we close below this zone. Next, we should push down, right? On 1 hour, we have the same zone here. Just methodically narrow down your zone. So we have the zone here. So now we can say based off 1 hour, we need to retest the zone and come back down. So on 30 minutes, all we have to do, just narrow down your zone here, and that's it. So, right, and yeah, we broke this low, but also stop loss was big, 40 pip. Those were all sort of reason I didn't execute. So this one happened during PM session, also didn't execute because of that. So the kind of condition I'm waiting, they are not coming. It need to happen between 9 to 11:30, and also the entry criteria need to meet. So this day I had taken a buy, so I couldn't take this trade, even though it was a winning trade, but it was a bad trade. So normally the trade should have been taken on this candle, but stop loss against 60 pip. I wasn't comfortable taking 60 pip, 50 pip stop loss. So it has been a very tough for me this month. All the entries, it was a little bit weird to execute. I was watching this trade, but again hesitated to enter because I was like, okay, we have the support, stuff like that, but straight, we have volume. This is the setup we were waiting for. Price made a low, came up, create resistance, we have volume, boom. I missed this one again and again and again. So difficult to have a clean trade. I wanted to see a clean trade where everything is met. Difficult to have them now. At least based off my circle of competence. Maybe a lot of other people are having these trades, and usually those kind of trades, when I have them, they can move like wild. Yeah, that's the reason. But maybe I will I don't know, I will see. Maybe next month will be better. This is closing above. So YouTube, thanks for joining. Have a good rest of your days. So no live tomorrow, and see you guys next week. Stay safe. Bye bye.
So you will not be coming tomorrow?
No, usually I don't do live Friday because I'm busy Friday. So yeah. And also Friday there is, if you haven't made your weekly profit Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is not the day to try to make it. Right? Friday is just maybe you wait for a good trade to or you secure Friday because you don't want to risk your profit, stuff like that. So, and also it's end of the month, so, or new month starting. Maybe next month will be better, May. Yep. See you guys.